Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Well, the today video is on how to create a website with free hosting on GitHub Pages. Sometimes you buy a domain and you don't have some hosting plan and you want to host a free website without advertising. So you can continue to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can host a website with GitHub Pages. So you have a domain. I have a domain here. So if you have a domain, you have to point it to GitHub Pages IP addresses. These four are the GitHub Pages IP addresses. You can find them on GitHub Pages website. So please note them down if you don't find them. Now create a GitHub account if you don't have already. If you have a GitHub account, just create two repositories, one for your website source code. It can be a private repository. So I have created this one. Actually this account I am not using in this Linux machine, so I have to add myself as a collaborator. You don't have to do this step, just skip this one. I am adding myself as collaborator. Let's create another one. Now make sure what is your username. Just type your username here and then .github.io. So my username is akxx. So the repository name should be akxx.github.io, and this repository should be public and not the private repository. So create it. Again I am going to add myself as a collaborator because I don't have this account in this Linux machine right now I am using. Done. Let's accept the invitation. Accept invitation, and I had another one. Which one was website invitations? You don't need this extra step. So now I am successfully added as a collaborator, so I can push to this repository. So I have these two repositories. Let's clone the repository we created earlier into my machine. Git clone https. So actually I am using github.com akxx and the website. Let's make it abdullah.top. I am cloning this one into abdullah.top repository. Yeah, it is cloned now. Let's cd into it. You can see it is empty there because we have not done something here. So now let's create our project. I am using Hugo for static site generating like platform. So we are creating a new website here, Hugo site abdullah.top. Actually I have to do something, abdullah.top. Okay, I have created a website here in my machine. Let's copy all of the content from this repository into our GitHub. Actually it is here. There are some directories also, so I have to use R. You can see now my website, the website is copied here into the repository I created and I cloned. So now I have to now let's check how the website looks like. You can see that I put the server disable, and here you go, my website is there. Actually we have we didn't have some theme here. You can go to themes.gohuju.io and select a theme you like. For this video I am going to use this coder theme. Just go to its home page and check out its address. This one is the address, git submodule. This one is the address, so let's add it. I am using this template, so I am cloning it here. So here you can see there is the website and there is no public content. Yes, if you see public directory here, just rm rf public, so I don't have public, but if you have public directory, just completely remove that. Now I am going to add another submodule which I created earlier. I mean the website, the other repository, git at github.com akxx at akxx github.io branch master, and it should go to public. Oh my god, actually this one should go there. You can see now public is there, public. So now our repository is there, and now let's copy the new theme, some files here into the repository main directory, root directory. Let's copy themes, coder, example site, config.uml, and let's copy here. Overwrite it, yes. Edit it. It should be https. Here you should use your domain name. Title of the website, I am going to use Abdullah. This is the theme name, don't edit it. How many pages you want, and here it goes. Discuss short name. If you want some comments after the every post, you can use discuss or something else here. If you are going to use discuss, go to discuss and check for your discuss short name. My short name is AKPK. So here are the authors. Author is Abdullah. Description: Abdullah's personal website, YouTuber, images, avatar image. If you are using WordPress Gravatar, you can use your email you used to sign up there, and you can use it here. Footer content, you can use footer content. Copyrights, I am using copyrights 2020 here. Date format, how you want the date to be rendered in the website. Here, hide footer, if you want to hide the footer, change it to true. I don't want it to hidden. If you want the credits like Hugo or something else, you can change it to true. Hide copyright, I don't want to hide the copyrights, since when you did your website started 2020. If you want a git commit link in every post, you can uncommit this one, uncommit this line, and you can use your repository and username here. The website rendered version repository we created earlier, you can use it here, but I am not going to use it, so I am commenting this one. Enable, you can use it, I am not going to use it. And here are some other analytics. I am not going to use analytics, so I am going to comment this one as well, this one as well. I don't want this one I don't want, this one also I don't want. This categories, my username for GitHub, my username for GitLab, my username for Twitter, my username for LinkedIn, my username for Medium, RSS field, I just want English, so I don't want an other languages, so I am going to delete it. Let's save it now. Now check the website in our local environment. You can see, oh, actually I didn't copy the avatar, so let's copy it. Go to static. I don't have something here, so create a directory images here and cp pics images avatar.jpg. Reload the page. Now you can see my avatar is here. So this is the, I don't have posts yet. If you create posts, so you will not get a 404 error. Contact me. I don't have something created there. So this is how you can create it. It also has this feature, dark mode, light mode. So let's push our this one. We right now we were checking our website in our local environment. So now push the changes to GitHub. Arch types config to ml. Resources I don't want to add. Static images I want to add. Actually I don't want to add public, so I am going to give it to get ignore. I also want to add resources to get ignore. These are temporary files. Get ignore again. So these are the files. Now push to the create a first commit. Created. Now push to the, oh actually I have to set upstream. Now push the updates to GitHub. Yeah, it has been pushed. Here you can see my source code of the website has been pushed, but it is not enough. This repository is private. It can also be public if you want if you want others to see it. You can make it public, but don't make the other repository which would contain the rendered version of your website. Don't make that repository private, else the things will not work for you. I mean that this repository akxx your username .github.io. You can see that I have not pushed something. So Hojo D. Now you can see I have there a public repository, so add all those files and create first commit. Push. You can see I have pushed it, but I have to add my domain name here. So create a cname file in the root folder. Here I am going to create, you can create here or you can create it here. So every time you can create in the static and cname. Here you should type your domain name, abdullah.top. Let's add it. Static cname. Commit. Let's commit it. Push it. Add this new file. Commit it. Push it. You can see the cname is here. Let's open abdullah.top. It is not published yet. Let's give it some time. Or you can just go to the repository settings and go to GitHub Pages. Here you can see integration, manage access, merge button, or yeah, that's it. Master branch. Your site is ready to be published at abdullah.top. Enforce HTTPS. Now open. Yeah, you can see my website is published. So that's it, guys. Using this video method, you can use GitHub Pages to publish, host your website on GitHub Pages free of cost without some extra advertising or something else. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Hit the bell icon button so you can get notification about new videos I post. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.